Does he get to pick his Band-Aid?
Oh, I've got a Band-Aid.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Got it up higher?
Today.
All right.
There you go. Would you like me to count to 3?
No, you just go ahead anytime you're ready. It's worth saying that there's great hope. I'm doing this to demonstrate that people should be prepared when it's available to take the vaccine. There's nothing to worry about. I'm looking forward to the second shot. So is Jill. She's had her shot earlier today. She loves shots, I know. In the meantime, I know I don't want to sound like a sour note here, but I hope people listen to all the experts and the Dr. Fauci's on, talking about the need to wear masks during this Christmas and New Year's holidays, wear masks, socially distance, and if you don't have to travel, don't travel. Don't travel. It's really important because we're still in the thick of this. It's one thing to have the vaccine show up at a hospital. There's another thing to get the vaccine from that vial into a needle, into an arm. And there's millions of people out there that are going to need this.